whisper something happy in my ear. Cool.
So I am using my phone to film because something happened to my camera. It will not, the lens won't close and my battery won't charge. I don't know what happened, but so I'm gonna try to do phone filming, which is hard because I don't know exactly where the camera, I think I'm looking at the camera. But anyway, I want to show you guys, show you all. This is not doing it justice. I'll give you a better tour and bring you along with me today. But I am in the Ozarks in Missouri, and I got here this morning around 1 a.m. and just really getting a chance to look. Last night all I experienced was winding roads, but it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And you hear the water running because we are near water and have water all around us. But right now I'm going to eat because I'm starving. So let me know how this footage and everything comes out on my phone. All right. Here's an empty seat over here, Katie. You can go on the.
Yeah, you can hop in here.
We got room up here.
So we are now in Arkansas. We drove about an hour. We are in one of the homes on the preserve that actually is available to be rented out. I'm about to use the ladies' room. We are going canoeing, and then I heard talk of helicopter ride. I'm not sure about the helicopter, but I've never canoed or been on a helicopter before. So really excited for new experiences. That's what I said my 2019 was going to be all about.
To drink.
Is the side that boat's going to turn to. You don't want to use power strokes to go forward because you're already going. So it's best to kind of slow down the momentum to do your maneuvering. Won't be a lot of maneuvering today. You stay on the inside of the curves. You should be fine, but always hold on to the top of your paddle. Don't chicken neck it. It's a fulcrum. On the top. This doesn't do anything. Got to get that push to it. But you want to do it this way today. Backstroke. Whichever side. It's so easy to do because whichever side you need to turn to, you give it a couple of backstrokes, that boat's going to move right there. If you're doing 3 miles an hour sitting on the river today. It's easy for you.
Okay. So do we kind of just set our bags
what we'll
in
do
there?
is we'll clip them to these gunnels.
Oh, okay.
They'll be out of the way.
Gotcha.
Gin and tonic. Get going.
Yo. Yay. I'm canoeing. This is totally cool. Not having to do anything and just enjoy.
No. Yeah, and once we get out here in the main flow, you can slide back up and sit on that seat if you want to.
Sounds good.
That's not. Now you'll feel the current.
Yes, I do. Whee! Alright, walking back to my room in the dark. Y'all hear all this nature out here? Okay. Have a little flashlight on my key. Look, I'm gonna take y'all in my room. Don't y'all say, hold on y'all, let me open this door. Don't y'all say shit to me about how my room is looking, okay? So, the bed I'm not sleeping in. Some authentic looking furniture out of wood. And then have this other bed. We have this cool dresser. Look how cool this is. Look at the detail on this. So cool. And then you have this nice little study desk over here. Then we have this full-length mirror. How you doing? How you doing? And then we've got some decor. Got a little coffee station, little bench, my mess. But yo, check out the bathroom. Okay, yeah, all right, that's my stuff. Whatever. Look at the tub. It's got jets. They have great, body products, little bath elixir. I used it earlier. So I'm glad they brought me another bottle. The shower. The nice little rain shower head. So big. You could easily have a party up in there. So this is my room. How great would this world be if we all realized that we're all human. We all have the basic needs. We all need this planet. And no one is going anywhere. So wouldn't it be great if we figured our shit out and got along? Wouldn't that be nice? Oh well, I'm exhausted. I need to get some sleep. We have a full day tomorrow, so bye. Last night in the Ozarks. Hey girl.
Now can you hit subscribe thing?
Yes, do it.
Right here, right now, subscribe. It's the best YouTube channel on all of YouTube. Brenda.
You heard her. You heard her. She's an expert. Do it. Hit the subscribe button.